Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Maryland Medicaid account. Whether you're checking your eligibility, managing benefits, or viewing claims, this guide will help you log in securely and efficiently. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.marylandhealthconnection.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. First, click on the Sign In button here on the page that opens. In the website that opens, type your user ID here. Type your password here and click on the Login button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your Maryland Medicaid account is simple and secure. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video and take care of your health.